Hello, beautiful friend. I am out in the woods walking. There's the creek path. And actually, the snow is just starting to fall. Little tiny snowflakes. I knew we were going to get some more snow. I knew we were going to get a little more snow today, but I thought I would have time before to come out and take a nice long walk, and that is what I'm doing. This will be pretty as the sun's shining and the snow's starting to fall. That's pretty special. So, do any of you need a little nature break? I certainly did today. I just started feeling a little bit overwhelmed with things that I needed to do. And then, of course, when that happens, the feelings of being a little anxious or behind. And I took my own advice. I decided to take a walk in nature. And hopefully, with you seeing me do this, and you feel overwhelmed or need a break, need to take a few breaths, have some breathing space or healing space, that you will do the same. And if you do, I'd love to hear about it. It's midweek here in the Midwest. My two older boys are in the midst of finals and medical school, and they've been working so hard, and I can feel their stress as well. I always tell them I'm beaming positive energy their way, and hopefully they feel it just like I do for you. It's always good to be a light in this world. Things get heavy. There's been a lot in the news, a lot of heavy stuff, and sometimes I get overwhelmed, and I'm sure you probably do as well. And again, you just have to shut things off and know that the world is going to keep going by, and it's important that we preserve our own mental health and physical health too, especially in this season of different things that go around. I really didn't have much of a purpose today. It's usually something pops in my mind, but I just came out here pretty much to empty my mind, and I wanted to bring you along with me. Hopefully, just seeing this little nature walk helps clear your mind and soul. I'm going to step down here towards the beautiful water's edge. I'm so glad I did choose to share this with you. It gets a little bit lumpy and bumpy and things on this walk, but I will take you with me as I stand on the water's edge. I'm sending you so many blessings, some golden light from my heart to yours. May your spirit be renewed. Always know that you are loved, you're not alone, and so much love, blessings, beauty, and renewal for you today. Take good care, and I'll see you soon.